Hello, I come to you today with a new update to the Pdfomatic plugin. Starting from now, it will be able to import content from remote files, not only PDF files that are uploaded to your server. So you can directly link each PDF file you want and the plugin will import content from it. So to get started, at the PDF file dropdown, select remote file, click settings and input in the remote PDF file settings field the URL of the PDF that you want to import content from, save settings and run importing. As you will see, importing run remotely, and if we refresh our blog, the PDF, this is its source, and textual post was created from this. Okay, so this was just a quick update about the latest update for Pdfomatic. Check it out.